In today's video, I'm going to teach you why is it so hard to get a job? 2026, step by step. If finding a job feels harder than it should be, you're not imagining it. One of the first things to understand is the current job market. In many places, hiring has slowed down while the number of applicants has gone up. That means rejection does not automatically mean you're unqualified. Very often, it means competition is simply higher than usual. It's also important to recognize that employers may be taking longer to hire. Many companies now use multiple interview stages, longer approval processes, and in some cases, they even pause hiring after posting a role. So if you don't hear back quickly, that delay may be about the company's process, not your value as a candidate. As you search, take time to check whether your skills actually match the jobs you're applying for. Read job descriptions carefully and look for the qualifications and tools that appear again and again. That pattern tells you what employers care about most. Once you identify those priorities, improve the skills that matter most for your target role. It's usually better to strengthen job-relevant skills than to collect random certificates that don't support the position you want. Next, update your resume so it's easy to scan. Highlight relevant experience, practical accomplishments, key skills, projects, and measurable results where possible. Then go one step further and customize your resume for each job. Use language and keywords that match the job description and move the most relevant qualifications higher up so they're easier to notice. If your field allows it, build a portfolio. This can include design work, writing samples, presentations, websites, spreadsheets, campaigns, or other projects that show what you can actually do. A portfolio helps employers see proof, not just claims. Also, don't rely entirely on online applications. Networking still matters. Reach out to recruiters, former coworkers, industry contacts, and people at companies you're interested in. Sometimes opportunities come through conversations, not just application portals. You should also prepare for AI-assisted hiring. Some employers use automated screening tools, so your application needs to clearly reflect the skills and experience that match the role. Be strategic about where you apply. Instead of sending applications everywhere, focus on jobs where your background genuinely fits. Keep track of each application, including the company, role, date, interview stage, and result. This helps you spot patterns, then improve based on what's happening. If you're not getting interviews, work on your resume or targeting. If you are getting interviews but no offers, focus on interview preparation. Finally, keep building practical experience through freelance work, internships, volunteering, personal projects, or temporary roles. Stay persistent and focus on what you can control: your skills, your resume, your portfolio, your networking, your applications, and your interview preparation.